Bring it down easy. Keep it coming slow. A little to the left. Okay, hold it. Perfect, you're clear. Set it down.
We're using a large chamois here to slowly wipe away the water, ensuring we don't scratch the delicate patina of this classic blue paint.
The rust on the rear quarter panel is significant.
Yeah, we'll have to cut this section out entirely. The frame underneath looks solid though.
All right, getting this dash off is tricky. As you can see, we've got quite a mess of broken circuits and corroded wires underneath. All right, carefully removing the speedometer now. We'll get this labeled and placed with the oil pressure gauge, then move on to the fuel gauge.
Next, we carefully lower the new carburetor into the intake manifold. Once it's seated properly, we can start attaching the fuel lines, making sure the fittings are tight.
All right, steady now. Looks like it's seating perfectly.
Yeah, perfect fit.
The first pass of the brilliant white base coat completely transforms the surface, giving us that signature Mach 5 shine over the gray primer.
Look at that reflection. It's hard to believe this Mach 5 is sitting in a junkyard with how pristine the cockpit is now.